this. Okay, hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to do what I always do in my makeup, which is winged liner. I have been doing winged liner for a long time, and let me tell you, it takes a lot of practice. So I think I've gotten it down, so I'm going to try and show you in an easy way, give you a couple tools and things that I do. So what I like to use, or lately what I've been using, is the Morphe Jet Black Liner. It's just a gel liner. See, I used it pretty good. But I'll use that to start the liner, and I'll use one of these brushes. Kind of the same. One of them is a Morphe M160, a little bit thinner than the Sonia Kasha number 27. So this one's a little bit fatter. So normally I will start out with the Morphe one, and I will use this and the gel, like I said. And then to do more precision, I'll use a liquid liner, and my favorite one is the Revlon Color Stay. This is the skinny one. I'll show you that one too. It's a very skinny wand. I think there's another one, it's a little bit fatter, you can use that one too, but I like the skinny wand just to get those like really crisp liner lines. Okay, so I'm gonna grab the gel liner and I'm gonna dip into here, and then what I do is when I do liner, I did my brows so I could show you kind of how I do it. So taking the end, so normally I like to kind of connect it for the end of my brow tail and kind of connect it that way. So I'll use that kind of as a guideline. But I'll do this side because this side I can do a little bit better. But I'll just take the gel, and I always place my hands like this. But I'll just create that line, and let me tell you, it's going to be messy. It can get messy, but I will show you how to clean it up. So right now let's just focus on the line. So see, just create that line, and the kind of connected, but my thing is I don't like to take it out like here, because it almost looks more I guess Egyptian cat eye kind of situation, and I don't really like how it looks on me, but so that's why I like to angle it upward a little bit like that. You can kind of tell, but yeah. And then I'll just get more product, and then I kind of start in the middle of the line right here, and I'll connect it and I'll drag it downward. See? It's not filled in, but I'm just creating that line and I'm taking it in. And like I said, it gets messy. So I kind of created that line, and now I'm just filling it in a little bit. And so far I can see it's not as clean as I'd like it, but I can go in and fix it with concealer. So like I said, I'll just grab more product, pack it on there. And it kind of looks like that. So that's the base of how I do my liner. And then, like I said, it's not very clean as much as I'd like it to be. So I like to take the Revlon Skinny Wand and go in and use this to kind of clean everything up a little bit. So let's see.
I like it better.
Because this one, I don't have a lot of control for precision, so I like to use this one and just clean it up, like I said. So I'll go in and do more, I guess, detail work. And this is where I really create that wing and make it more sharp. So I'll just get more product and really go in. And you can make, my wing looks big, but you can make it as skinny as or big as you want it. This is normally what I do. I do my wings kind of in the middle, kind of small, big, medium, I guess. But you could totally make a smaller wing if you want. You don't have to make such a big wing. Okay, so it looks pretty good. So I'm gonna clean it up. So what I use to clean up my wings is a flat concealer brush, something like this. I forgot where I got this one from, but it's really old, but it works really well. What I do is I get concealer, obviously. I like to put the product, I have like a little tin kind of thing. So I put the product on there. I get a little bit on the brush, and then I go in and I clean the line. And clean a little bit of what I think is a little messy, just to make it a little bit more precise. And it's okay, I don't have foundation on yet, clearly, so I really just drag it out there. And then you can use to clean it up, I guess this is another, I use it as like a concealer brush too, but it has the actual hairs. This one, I don't know what kind of hairs or whatever it is. But this is just like another concealer brush. It's the Morphe 210. Or I use a fatter concealer brush just to get in there and kind of just like wipe away that excess and blend it in to my skin. And I like that one too. I've had it for a long time. It's an oldie and a goodie, so I like it. But like this one, the smaller one, you can really get in there and clean it up. The other brush was more for placement, but this one is to really clean up the lines. I think that looks good. Looks pretty good. So this is what you end up with, something like that. And you can really go in there and extend the line if you want, make it longer. Just be careful. And that's why I like the skinny wand, because you can really go in there and make those lines. So that's how you do wing liner, just like that. This is how I've been doing it for a couple years. It works really well for me. I like the gel for placement and this for more precision. So that's how you do wing liner. I'm gonna do the other eye off camera, and I'll come back and show you what they look like and maybe add some lashes and finish the face. And that's it. So I'll be right back. Okay. I think that's done. This is actually perfect. This is like my everyday wear. I should have said that from the beginning. But this is how I do my makeup like every day. Normally when I go to work, because I do have a regular job obviously, I don't do liner and lashes. I just do mascara. But yeah, this is like how I normally do my everyday makeup. So let me know if the liner was helpful. Let me know if you want to actually see any in-depth makeup of how I do want to see like a true in-depth from start to finish of how I do my makeup. So I hope you guys liked it. Let me know if you want to see anything different, or if there's anything of interest of me or makeup wise that you want to see. I think that's it. So like comment, subscribe, I guess. But yeah, that's it. So see you guys next time. I'm gonna go take a nap, and that's about it. So bye.